Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Snake River Junction. My name is Gary. In this episode, I am working on a Tyco Mantua Alco C430 Rock Island diesel locomotive. Check it out. Projects, never ends. So these two trains, the Tyco coming around the mountain, I fixed this piece on the shell, new using polystyrene. Piece there, put a piece there. Also had to fix this little corner right here. And I painted it red, blended in. Original, coming around the mountain, which I painted in the blue, I'm using that as a guide for the handrails, and I'm going to be putting it on this one. This Lifelike Santa Fe kept coming off the track, so I was brought it up here to my workshop, find out what's going on with it. The main project will be this Tyco Mantua train that I have here. I had parts. I had mentioned it in previous video, a couple of videos back. I was able to get a Rock Island locomotive shell. It's in fairly good condition. With the caboose, it has some damage to the top. I was able to smooth it out, painted it, added a smokestack on it, and I painted some weathering on the walkway. Gonna swap out the wheels. I have to make a handrail for that with the ladder because it's missing one. All the parts have been cleaned. Did have to put some synthetic oil because if you listen to this video, it was squeaking. After I put the oil, it was much quieter. Wired it up. So rear wire goes from the rear truck across over here to the first brass fitting right here. Then it comes up to the light. And the red wire is connected to the back of the light bulb to make that work. Did have a brass fitting on it. This little piece here. It doesn't quite fit in the shell. These two fit in, but the weight is slightly different. Because this shell has tabs. This one right here, one here that should hold the weight. But with this one, it's held in place by screws. I did put it in here, lined it up where it's supposed to go. And using some files, kind of dipped it in black paint, stuck it in there and made little marks. One right there, no one there. That's where I'm going to put these rods, plastic rods. I put it on a slight angle. There's a slight angle on it, so it fits on the curvature of the roof. And then I'm gonna make little screw holes so I'll put the screws in place. Hopefully that works. Using a little CA glue and baking soda, I attached the rods to the shell. There it goes. After that, I tried fitting the weight in. I discovered that the rods were too thick and needed to be filed down in order to get the weight in. I used the hand file instead of a Dremel to have more control. Gotta protect the horns. Woo! What a workout. File, file, file. That one lines up. This one is a little... There we go. See if I can drill the hole. Once the holes were done, fasten the weight down with a screw. Don't think that is in there. Nope. Looks like I need longer screws. And I'm going to stop this at this point. See if I can find a longer screw. Okay, I'm back. Did not have the screw, but turns out I didn't need it. These were offline. So I ripped it out, made 2 new ones, much higher. It's good now. The couple of box supports were the next thing I worked on. I'm going to put this like that. And something supporting it. A little bit of CA glue. Gotta make this straight. I attached a piece of polystyrene to the coupler box. Then attached it to the shell. That is good. That's one. I gotta do that one. Okay, I got it. Took me a little bit of time, but I was able to get it. Put a support over here. Was able to get a screw in there too. And one on this side with 2 supports. Now I've got couplers on there. Now I gotta put it all back together. I reattached the trucks. First the rear truck, then the front truck. There you go. And the weight goes in. I think I got it in. Final step, the side frames. Just have to put some railings, paint it, and it's done. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.